In this video, we are going to find out what is the difference between corrosion and rancidity. You must have observed corrosion causes damage to car bodies, gates, iron railings, ships and many other materials made up of metals. So how do we define corrosion? When the surfaces of the reactive metals are attacked by air, water and other substances around it and corrodes, this process is called corrosion. Or in other words, formation of layers of undesired compounds such as metallic oxides and metallic hydroxides on the surface of metals is called corrosion of metals. In iron, corrosion is very common, which is called rusting. Iron gets corroded because of oxygen and moisture present in the atmosphere. A reddish brown colored layer forms on iron is called rust, which is nothing but ferric oxide, that is Fe2O3.XH2O, hydrated ferric oxide. Not only iron gets corroded, but even copper and silver. All these metals get corroded. Copper gets corroded because of carbon dioxide and green colored layer is formed on copper, whereas silver gets corroded because of sulfur and a black colored layer is formed on silver. Every year, enormous amount of money is spent to replace damaged iron. So how to prevent rusting? There are various prevention methods that can be used to prevent rusting. Some of them are by painting the iron articles with paint. Second one, by applying oil and grease to the machine parts. Number 3, galvanizing. Galvanize means to coat iron or steel with less reactive metal, especially zinc. Electroplating. Electroplating is the process of coating a metal with a thin layer of another metal by electrolysis to improve the metal's corrosion resistance. Okay, so now let us talk about rancidity. When oils and fats in food oxidize, or even when they are allowed to stand for a long time, the food becomes rancid. So what is rancidity again? Rancidity is the process of slow oxidation of oil and fat present in the food materials, resulting in the production of foul odor and taste in them. Now, rancidity of food can be observed by change of taste of food or by the foul smell that arises from the food. There are many ways of prevent rancidity. The first way is refrigeration. When we keep the food in the refrigerator, because of low temperature, oxidation is very less, so the food can be prevented from being rancid for a long time. Second way is using antioxidant. Antioxidants are substances which do not allow the fat and oils and food to get oxidized. Some artificial antioxidants are BHA, that is butylated hydroxyanisole, and BHT, butylated hydroxytoluene. Third one, use of tight containers where air is not allowed to come in contact with the food. The fourth one is to flush the food with nitrogen gas to prevent from being oxidized by oxygen.